I'm Philippe Cousteau, founder of EarthEcho International. Our mission is to build a global youth movement to protect and restore our ocean planet. Through new and expanded efforts, we were able to connect more young people around the world to ocean-focused education, policy, and conservation work that will have a tangible, long-lasting impact on our planet. EarthEcho's efforts focused on engaging teachers in the United States and UK in courses that will help thousands of students to be lifelong environmental stewards. We launched campaigns to establish and strengthen marine protected areas in California, Alaska, and the Pacific Remote Islands. We introduced BIPOC youth to regenerative ocean aquaculture, creating both economic and ecological benefits for people and communities, and building global public awareness and involvement in protecting water resources. The environmental challenges we face are vast and complex, but at EarthEcho, we believe that environmental literacy and youth action is critical to preserving our ocean planet. Every year, we reach higher to expand our goals to bring more young people and educators into our work. Thank you for supporting EarthEcho. We humbly ask that you continue to join us as we look to accomplish even more in 2024.